What's good, YouTube? I know I haven't done a video in a while. I know. But guess what? Like, I'm back now with a new computer. I could edit game, whatever I need to do on my computer now. I'm currently editing a video. Anyways, today's video is gonna be a banger, bruh. If I get hurt in this video, it's because of y'all. Like, I'm blaming y'all on this. Merry Christmas. When it comes, if I don't post a video before Christmas, then I'm telling y'all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. This video is going up today. Same as I'm done, I'm gonna edit, post it. Today's video, I'm scared. That's why I keep talking. I'm scared. Today's video, bruh, I'm finna pull a prank on my mom. She's on the road right now getting some food and stuff, so I told her that she should call me when she's getting my food. So, like, I don't really care what she gets me, because that I want to know that, oh, she's close to getting home. So yeah, so she's gonna call me back and tell me, oh, what do you want to eat, whatever. But when she comes home, little does she know, I'm finna prank her. I'm finna ask her, I'm finna say, Mom, I got a girl pregnant, and see her reaction. I'm gonna set up the camera somewhere that I'm gonna sit by my desk, and I got a chair right here, so the camera's gonna catch me and her, and y'all gonna see her reaction to me getting a girl pregnant. I know I've done pranks on her before, like the TV prank and all that, but she don't get mad. I know she gonna get mad at this. Like, she gonna be like, nigga, what? So I'm finna prank her. But what she smacked me though? Should I edit it out if I get smacked? Nah, don't think so, right? And in the comment section, guys, don't forget to tell me the pranks y'all want to see me do. We finna go all out 2020, bro. Like, no cap. I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna set up the camera. And when she comes back, bro, like, I'm finna get smacked, though. I'm scared. My mom don't play when it comes on to getting girls pregnant and all that kind of shit. Like, and my mom don't play when it comes on to, like, oh, I got a girl pregnant. She's always buying me condoms. So I'm gonna just drag it out and say, oh, I don't feel like to use none. Like, I was in the mood. Some shit. She gonna smack me. But things I do for y'all. See y'all when she comes. I think my mom is here, guys. I think she's here. She don't want to go upstairs. She don't want to. So she don't want to go upstairs. So the prank has failed. I'm gonna get her with a different prank. But she's not feeling good. I might still post this just to show ya that I wanted to do it. Huh? I don't me that back here.
Raheem, don't fuck yourself with me. Let me call you right back. Don't fuck yourself with me.
See when it comes, yes. Oh my God. You're from I wanted her to go upstairs. I'm already planning it out from this morning. That's why you see me that one that's so sad this morning.
And your father just tell me that too. Same so, you look sad. Come call your father and say, look here, your son have to go get something to do. He have something coming.
I want to say, call him back. Shh, don't tell him that. Just call him back and tell him.
You take me and laugh.
So set up them.
No run them the joke there with me.
Set up the camera from morning. As I keep on calling and asking if they're going. Is me coming where they going? Just call you say. There's some
but I kind of figure out it, you know, because guess what?
What?
No, guess what? Why you don't normally come downstairs, come talk to me? Why you keep on asking? Mommy come upstairs, mommy come upstairs. Somebody that's why I must say somebody upstairs and you say no. So when you say no, I say, you know I lie. I wonder if I lie, Martin. My mind just tell me say I want lie.
Yes, so I can't plant my camera in your room.
I cut off your head. Swear to God, you know I'm cut off your head.
I can't plant the camera in your room because you as a woman, you know exactly where you put the things in. So I put something there, you can see it.
So why you want me come up? I'm saying no, I'm not go upstairs. I go there prank. So I'm saying I go there prank and not going up there. Make him come downstairs down my room.
So I plant my camera in there, but then you go see it. You get me? So I spot it now and party.
If I make him say come upstairs, you mean a lie, Martin. It's a prank.
Nah, I didn't get nobody
but
pregnant.
You would die though. It was real. I tell you that shit, you would die.
I didn't get nobody pregnant. Mommy, don't get a tremble.
Why am I tremble? I'm not tremble more than I just said go do this, go do that, and you and your girl on your own.
So you say?
Me no want a baby, so you can't give me no baby. You're not ready?
Call daddy. We go prank daddy. I go see what daddy I go say. So she's gonna call my father, right? And we gonna get she didn't want to call scared. So we gonna call my father and see what he's gonna say. I'm gonna Yo. Yeah, David.
What me are you?
Yeah, boy.
What I said, you get some perfect man.
It's never intentional.
Yeah, but right, when I talk to you already and say you can't make you have to stand up, so you make that.
You know.
Yeah, I might pick me now, sir.
Not now.
Huh?
Not now, but I've got to look work.
I probably put yourself on and all. But see when I like her.
Ran.
Oh, you got money.
Ran. Him just tell me say I joke him and make his line tell your pitney said don't fuck himself with me. Tell him. Can me that just go upstairs now, pack up him things and put them out the door in the cold. At the wickedest time somebody will get put out in a cold. From him, when I come off for the phone with you, I say, alright, my keep I tell me to come upstairs, come upstairs. Why want to come upstairs? Come here say, not more is a prank him I do. Come I kind of know how him stay. When him come on upstairs, I say, no, I something I do on his computer. But you say you cook, I say no, I'm not going to call him back. That's why when him call me now, I call him because him not come. I say no, you come downstairs. Because I know say something like that in my plan. Look how I just put him out. And not joke thing about it. You couldn't beg for him. I just put him out. Oh, you mean go here? Anyway, if I don't want to stop.
Ask her again. Put me go away. Ask her.
You can't tell me that, Ran, when I don't go upstairs. When I go upstairs, mad, and pack up, I won't even give him all them things that I give him. And put them out the door in the color the wicked this time.
So you give me no money for go.
Give you which money for do?
Yes, so mother wicked.
I say all along me I come, I say you know says I pram the little boy there, I why am I upstairs? I say I can't eat him, I can't STD. I name out everything to myself. I say I open a ear, come in and ask him on the phone, but she must say no. I say open a STD, come here put him on fair STD. Time for no for use condom. And I say if I know disease, anybody pregnant, anything me I put him on feed. Yeah, smile now. You're serious a while ago. Now you start smiling. You're glad now. It's a relief for you. Come I know you have a tension a while ago. See, they all have headache. You give you a headache, no?
Daddy get headache.
I know you give you a little headache. Come I
give you
can't
headache?
see for you.
He give you headache?
No, it never give me an idiot. But when you call me and say, or when me a question you say,
I don't want to talk to you over
yeah, I'm saying something. Because I kind of know you when you say, I say, what is it? You get somebody pregnant and you say it. But when you keep on at tell me, say, come upstairs.
No, when me say yeah, mommy say, what?
But when you keep on at tell me, say, come upstairs, and I say, it's a little prank, he might try bring off. But I call your father still, I'm tell him because I want him to know about the put out.
Eh?
And put him out.
Where's the pops? Where's it?
For your blood pressure just gone up. Your blood pressure just go up.
Pops, me I
Your
say
same blood pressure gone up.
for you? Hush. Me never mean if you make your blood pressure go up.
Yeah, because
and mommy
him
me that
start
try prank you know, come here and say she come out of the hospital you know. So she liable to get pranked now, you know, because she healthy, you know, she come to the hospital, you know, healthy. So, but I say, yeah, man, we can just run one prank for her. But I never think could that go so far.
Take me up for that thing. I'm going to call back Roxanne.
Alright, guys, so I'm going to go edit this. And
I don't put my phone on YouTube neither.
why am I can't put it on YouTube?
No. Yeah.
She can't tell me that.
What?
Channel, she can't tell me so we can't put that on YouTube.
Roxanne just send it to me.
Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. It didn't go as planned, but y'all still got something. Y'all still got something. You feel me? So don't forget to like, comment, and if y'all are new to the channel, subscribe.